So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can export stills in the free version of DaVinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. So inside of DaVinci here, you can see obviously I am using a video, but I just want to export a still frame out of it. So the first thing that we need to do is come down here to the color page, and then in your viewer right here, go ahead and right click and press grab still. So now we have the freeze frame or the photo of our image, and this is either if it is a photo or a video. It doesn't matter. Then come up here to the top left corner and you can click on gallery. Now, as you can see here, this is the one that we have just made. So go ahead and right click on that one, come down here to export, click on that, and then you can choose where you want it to go. So I can just click desktop here, export, and now you have your simple still that you exported to your desktop right here, and it just makes things super simple. So if you like this video, or maybe it was helpful, go ahead and click on this one next, and I'll see you in the next one.